Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an e-commerce website on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, to create an e-commerce website on WordPress, you do need to use WooCommerce, which is pretty much the official e-commerce plugin that WordPress uses to make online stores. And the way that you use this is through installing it on your dashboard. Now, what you need before this is you need a business plan or higher, which is a $25 a month subscription to WordPress, and it allows you to install plugins. And once you have that, then you'll be able to use WooCommerce, which might even be installed automatically for you. You just need to activate it once you actually get your account up and running. But in case you don't have it, all you need to do is go into plugins and go into the marketplace, then go over into the search bar and search for WooCommerce. And once that's done, you just need to go into WooCommerce and then just install it and activate it. Once you do, you can then go ahead and add your products, add any other necessary things such as your pricing, your taxes, your shipping. I'm not able to show you guys since I am on the free plan and not the business plan, so I don't have the option to install apps or plugins, but it is what it is, and it is really simple to do. All you have to do is just activate the WooCommerce plugin. There are other supplementary plugins which you can use alongside WooCommerce to enhance your online store, but that is up to you to check out. I do not have the time to cover everything, nor do I know everything that is available. But yeah, you just enter WooCommerce. It'll be on your menu here in the left. Enter that, and then you'll be able to modify your store, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.